Hello my esteemed viewers, welcome back to my channel, welcome back to V Tutorials. Today we'll be looking at update from the Hamster Kombat tokens. We'll be looking at how to claim your Hamster Kombat coin. We'll be looking at all the processes, all the basic steps, and possibly the Bybit KYC. Okay? So if this is your first time coming across to this amazing channel, please do what to subscribe, like my videos, and as well share my videos. And do not forget, in case you do have any questions, drop it at the comment sections and you will be attended to ASAP. As you can see, Hamster Kombat has triumphed. It's becoming well cooked. So what we'll be looking at it mostly today is the latest on Hamster Kombat. All you just need to do is to navigate yourself to these airdrop sessions. Go to the airdrop sessions and you realize that a lot of updates are on right now. Hamster Kombat currently is reading 14 days counting down. Sorry, 12 days counting down. And the date remains September 26th. The airdrops allocations, the points, the withdrawal, and all the exchanges have been lined up successfully. As you can see today, a lot of updates have been made on Hamster Kombat. Now, for those of us who have been asking, okay, are we to sign up for Bybit Early Bird, for Binance, for any other ones? Then this video is for you. Concentrate carefully in order to understand the full process on how to claim your Hamster Kombat token. As you can see, a lot of exchanges have been added which required a KYC in red. The first one here shows the Binance. The second one, the OKX of exchanges. Second one, the OKX exchanges. The third one is the Bybit exchange. The fourth one is the wallet. And the fifth one is the EPL exchange. What are the differences between those partners? And what are the differences between those exchanges? The EBI exchanges, no KYC at all. You can see everybody, all those exchanges want you to withdraw your coin via their exchange. That will be profitable for them. And another one again that does not have a KYC is your initial wallet that was added, which was initially used as the default wallet, which is Tone. Tone was used as a default wallet on a Hamster Kombat game. So if you do have any of those exchanges account, then you do not need any KYC on this exchange. All you just need to do is to add your offline wallet. What do we mean by the offline wallet? The offline wallets are the wallet you copy from Binance, OKX, Bybit, and the others to place on this. So let's look into this and see what exactly it holds. Looking at Binance, assuming you having a Binance wallet exchange. If you have a verified well KYC Binance account, then come to this place and click on Binance. If you click on Binance, this is what it's saying. Read carefully. Read carefully. It says, do you have a Binance account? That is the question. You will need to add your deposit address and a memo to receive a Hamster Kombat. Then if you do not have it, say okay, no. If you do not have it, then let's help you create. If it is yes that you have it, then click on yes, I have it. If you click on yes, I have it, you are going to take your Hamster deposit address from this very exchange, which is called Binance. If you take the wallet address from this exchange, then you come to this place to paste it. You're going to paste your wallet address here. You paste your wallet address here. Okay, and drop your memo. And if you do not have the wallet account yet, click on here to register using their referral links. If you click on this place to register, this is their referral link. It will pop up and you proceed to click on register. If you click on register, it will take you straight to a Binance partnership program. You can just follow it up and sign up successfully without stress. And if you have OKX accounts as well, you're going to click on this, which is the second one, to perform the same processes I just showed to you. And if it's this exchange that you have, you're going to open it again, click on it, do the same thing I did on Binance, which is the first account, and continue and complete your KYC. The same question that is being asked on Bybit here is that, do you have a Bybit account? Then you will need to add your wallet. If you do not have it yet, then click on yes. Let's create one for you. If you have it already, click on yes, I have it. Come to this place to paste your Bybit UID. Paste your Bybit UID here. Your UID will be there beside your profile picture. Copy your Hamster deposit address here and drop your memo. So, and the next thing you just need to do is to click on save to continue. If you click on save, that is, you have chosen this very amazing wallet. The whole process is very simple, but I'm following it one after the other so that you may understand fully. Now, the next thing we'll be looking at is this wallet Telegram, which is also going to be the most easiest way of receiving this coin for everybody. Click on it, and it was shown to you that the KYC there is very light. No big deal. The next thing you just need to do here, maybe we should connect this one shortly, because a lot of people are going to use this option Telegram wallet as an option. Okay, so today, September 31st, option deposit starts. Sorry, today, September 13th, option deposit start. on the September 21st, option deposit will be ended. So do it now, or you do it before September 21st. Otherwise, your coin will be lost. So you're going to click on this place. Let's do this together. You're going to click on Connect Wallet. If you click on Connect Wallet, it will take you directly to your wallet. And this wallet is not any other wallet, but the wallet on your Telegrams. So looking at it from here, all you just need to do next is to click on Continue. But before you click on Continue, take a look at the Telegram and the Hamster Kombat partners is very strong. The wallet by the Hamster Kombat. Okay. It says exchange Hamster Kombat to USDT, Bitcoin, Tone, all is in here. You can as well trade it on P2P markets. Can as well trade it on P2P markets. You can also send it to your contacts. Click on Continue because I think this will be one of the best options you can use. Click on Continue. And what is it saying? It says let's get verified. Quick verification to receive Hamster Kombat to wallet. Click on Continue. If you click on Continue, take a look at it closely. It is saying verifications requirements. Check your eligibility. Providing false information may result in restricted account functions. You must be over 18. The legal requirement for our services. You must be over 18 to meet the legal requirement for our services. Your current residence must not be the USA or other restricted country. Wow. You must not have other wallet accounts. Quite interesting. So I'm going to click on this place to say I confirm that I meet the requirements. Click on here. If you click on here, you're going to click on confirm to continue. The questions comes, what is your phone number? Share your Telegram phone number to the basic verifications level. I will click on continue. Share your contacts. I will click on share. Name and date of birth. Okay. I will name it here. Okay. Fill in your desired name. Click on the date of birth. Click to proceed. It says you are all set. Please return to Hamster Kombat to complete any remaining steps. You're going to click on here to return. Now we are back on the Hamster Kombat. Loading. Option deposits are now available. Click to check. You can now see that this wallet Telegram has been set. This Telegram wallet has been set. And the wallet is being connected. But it's asking me to set it as with default withdrawal options, which I will do now. I've clicked on it. So I am patiently waiting for this to load up completely. So after choosing, you cannot change withdrawal options anymore. So before you do all of this, read this. Before you do all of this, make sure you have been careful and you have make your right decisions. You must do all of this carefully for you to accept your coins. It's telling me that what? Well done. Stay tuned. Then you click on thanks. You can see now that this wallet is connected properly and well ticked green. So on this now, you can no longer change this wallet. This is where you must remain until the Hamster Kombat token distributions. So do not forget, if you do find value from this very content, do well to subscribe, like my videos, and as well share my videos. And if you do have any question from it as well, do well to drop this question at the comment sections and I will attend to you ASAP. So thank you so much for watching. Thank you for being with me from the beginning to the end. I will see you in my next video. Bye.